take off or down, whatever way the bike is designed. Right now I know it's not working, so I gotta pull it off. Now, you can't see it from there, but I will show it to you when I'm done. The wire runs down here, clips to the frame, comes back up, and it runs under this cover right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this cover off so that I can get to the wire to unplug it and then see what kind of plug it is, because there's two different types for this bike that I'm seeing on eBay. So I'm going to pull this off to find out which one it is. It's either a single wire or a dual wire. I'm hoping it's a single wire, because then I might be able to just bypass the switch at least long enough to find out if the bike runs. And then if it does run, then I can spend the money on a new switch. And I will buy a new switch. I won't bypass it permanently. For one, it won't pass safety like that anyway. So, okay, so there's one bolt right back in here, and this is what's holding one of the clamps. It's clamping the wire. So I'm going to pull that off. And hopefully I don't break it. I think I got it without breaking it. Of course, it's in a really tight spot, and you have to have little itty bitty baby fingers to get in there. Obviously, kids will be the best people to work on your bike for you. So I'm going to stop talking for a while and just do this. And you guys can just watch and be bored. I'm glad I'm loose enough that I should be able to turn it by hand, but because there's no way to get my finger in there, I can't. So I have to do it bit by bit with my wrench. And I know what you're thinking. One, they make ratcheting wrenches. They do. And they also make them out of my price range. Well, out of my wife's price range. Okay, so I got that bolt out, hopefully far enough to get the bracket off. I will find out once I get the rest of the cover off. So let's get working on that. Of course, it's a different size socket. Okay, so those are all the same length, so that's good. I don't have to worry too much about that. Oh look, cobwebs and dust in there too. So, in here, you will find that plug for that kill switch. Wish I had some better light. There we go, a little bit better. So here's your clutch cable. Runs here, runs through there. It's just aim where I'm going, runs along, yada yada. So if you ever have to replace your clutch cable, this is where it attaches. There's your bleeder screw for your clutch. So you don't have to adjust it, you just have to bleed it if you have issues, which I will have to do because it got drained to dry. So this here is the plug that I'm talking about for the kill switch. And it appears to be the single one, which is good, so I should be able to bypass that temporarily. This is where a lot of your electrical runs into the clutch here thingy, the kill switch and whatever's under there. And when I get into that, I will let you know. So I will see you again.